Alright, defrosting some ribeye steaks. Yummy. Alright, well, chop the ribeye up. Fat included. You don't gotta eat it. Put it in there for the flavor. Preheat your oven 350. Got some beef, onion, soup gimmick. Don't do it all. Don't want too much soda. Take you some water, add it in there. I got some garlic powder. Sprinkle some of that in there. I got some onion powder. Gonna put some of that in there. And then got some complete seasoning. Put that on there. Mix it all up. Cover it up. Put it in the oven, 350. Let's go for an hour. Added a little more water to it. Stir it up. Gonna cover it. Going in the oven, 350. Alright, so now we're gonna parboil some veg. Some potatoes, celery, homemade, homegrown peppers, carrots, onion. Dice it up. Throw it in the boil. Alright, all the veg chopped up. Add some complete. Put it on high, boil it up, get it soft and tender. Let's go into the meat. Alright, so steak after the oven. Covered for 20, uncovered. Took the juice, put it in there with a little better than bouillon. Alright. Ribeyes, 20 minutes covered, 20 minutes not covered. Took the juice off, put it in our au jus, better bouillon. Fixing to add our parboiled veggies back in the oven. Alright, add in your au jus, your sauce, your gravy, whatever you want to call it, your veggies. We're going to cover this back in the oven for 30 minutes. Alright. Take some of your veggie water that you boiled everything in, put some of this and that, stir it up, brown gravy. Alright, so here's the meat and veggies. 30 minutes covered. Gonna put it on a bed of rice that I already had made. Top it off with some brown gravy. And then there it is. Hit the light, follow your boy.